Welcome to our piano workshop, and today we'll be talking about some important issues in the piano restoration. Actually, we talk about how to deal with a labor-intensive and time-consuming process in the restoration, and we select one of them, key rebushing. As you see here, we got several keys because some of them have been done already. That's been done already, extracting felts already from these keys. It took a little time. Now we want to show you the process of gluing the felts in these holes. But let's look a little bit close on this process. As you see, the keys is laying on the table, and in order for me to deal with that, I have to pick up the key, right? Let's call it one step. Then I have to pick up the brush and get a glue. Apply the glue here. Then I have to apply the felt. Then cut the felt. Then put coals to hold it. Then I have to pick up the razor blade or knife and cut the felts. And that's going to be just only for one hole, but we needed to do it twice. I calculated here you need to proceed around 20 steps to do it. And both of them, it's going to be like 40. And then multiplying by 88, it comes to almost over 3,000, maybe even more. But anyway, that's what you have to go through. And sometimes it takes time. Based on my experience, of course, I did it different ways. I came to the conclusion that this process has to be improved. And what I did, I tried to bring all these motions together and everything settle right in a small space. And it helps a lot. I probably decreased the time in maybe 2-3 times. And now I want to show you first what it's all about, and you just see with your eyes how it works. Let's move to our tool. I call it rebushing station. We got a clamp, fast clamp that holds the key in any position, right? You see, it's hold it, and really a very fast release, again, like that. Then we have the kind of levels, and we got the gear here that just moves the felt, as you see here, right? And it moves it, and you can move the key forward and back, and even move it in the radial, just like direction. Here, just very close to your hands, you got this excellent tool. And thank you for Mr. Spurlock, who designed it. And just it's cut the felts through. We just land it right here. We have the razor blades, the special razor blades in their positions, right? We got our brush on a special handle, and here the spot for the glue. Basically, all your coals here in a very short distance. And I want to show you how it works. And first of all, we recommend you to be in a comfortable position. Your chair, your everything is very important when you're gonna do like thousands of motions. And of course, the light is very critical. As we have it here, just like turn it on, you will see now the picture becomes very just like colorful. Unfortunately, I have to use the glasses, but it's okay. Anyway, let's start it. I want to show you how to do it. Let's say I pick up the key and my brush is right here. You see how fast it works. I apply the glue and get it to the clamp, then apply the felt, then our Bushmaster, get like this, it's cut it several times. Then we take the coal and right away the razor blade. It's done. Then the balance section. We just apply the glue and settle, clamp it in the felt, Bushmaster, and we use this call. Release the tension and cut it. Yeah, like that. As you see, it's you work very comfortable. You put all your tool on the position. And what's interesting that after you make like several of them, or maybe 10 or 15, you notice that you start to work in a certain pattern. It's become like your nature. And if you keep going like that, after a while, you feel that you're working or somebody work for you, like without your will. It works. It means you get to this meditation mode. But definitely it gives you some energy, some relaxation. That's what it's all about. And of course, that's not the only reason we did it, this tool, because we prepare ourselves for another projects, like alpinists. They prepare, if they want to reach the Everest mountain, they prepare for months just to make the equipment ready, and of course they train themselves. That's why this tool is the part of the major technological improvement in piano restoration that enable you to get on another step on the custom pianos that we're talking later. But of course, since you've seen already it's done and it's worked excellent, we definitely wish you to make like this, and I've got no doubt that you can make it more nicer and probably make some major improvements here. That it always can be done. And we'd like you to, based on what it's done already, get a little bit forward if you have time and skills. I wish you all the best, and hopefully we see on your sites the similar tools and enjoy it and be the part of this great development in the piano restoration. Thanks a lot, and see you on the next video.